Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Fragrant Jewels. I actually have 3 boxes here. One should be my Not So Perfects, which I think are in here, and then I have 2 rare Inner Circle monthly sets. The one I never received, so they resent it, so I got them both on the same day. Yesterday I got my Capricorn one, and what else did I order? To Me You're Perfect, I think is what it's called. And they actually threw a bunch of winter codes in there. There was about 4 or 5. So I'm not sure if they did that because all the ones inside of those products might be fall ones. It looks like they sent me all of the same ones. How disappointing. Are these all the Wicked ones? It actually says Not So Perfect, but it smells like Wicked. So I'm assuming that's what it is. So they used to send a good variety. And I've been pretty lucky when I ordered boxes, but one of the last ones, they gave me a bunch of the May bath bombs, which I thought was a bummer. And I've noticed online that everyone said they'd just been getting all the same ones. Not So Perfect. Yep, that's all it says. So I was hoping they would switch it up. That, you know, enough admins saw that, people that actually worked there, and would tell the people, hey, put a mix in there, because this is ridiculous. I mean, what if you hate that scent? Then you got 6 of them. Ugh. So I don't even know what I'm going to do with that. I do have a couple other ones that I've already done demos for, but I have extra ones, like threw them on to get free shipping. So I might add a couple of these in there and just do like a bath bomb art video. But that is very disappointing. So this one, hopefully there's more codes thrown in here. Doesn't look like it so far. But this is the Fire and Ice Dragon set. This is the bath bomb. Nice egg shape. And I've seen the jewelry that comes in here, but I haven't seen any demos, so I'm excited for that. And here's what the candle looks like. They didn't give us the product card, which I really wish they would get on board for the rares. But that's what it looks like. So I'll be doing these pretty soon. It'll be my next rare that I do. I'm going to try to do them in order. And then this other box, this should be the Home Sweet Home, I think they're calling it. Or Home is Where the Heart Is. Home is Where the Heart Is. So it's a house, but it's multicolored. That's actually really cool. I like that. It smells good. I could smell it as soon as I unwrapped it. Nice detailing. I'm hoping that doesn't crumble when I take it out of the wrapper. I hate their packaging. I normally chip the bath bombs pretty bad whenever I'm taking them out. And the candle for that doesn't look like I got any extra codes. So this one is also orange. It actually looks like the exact same shade, different scents. And it does come with a lid. I do think it's a little weird, the labels. It's like they don't really put too much effort in the rare ones. It doesn't even look like it's coming from the same company. Like it just seems like a different style of art or something. I don't know. But I will get these going and I will have them posted shortly. And if you'd like to order anything from Fragrant Jewels, I'll put their link below. Promo code, I think I have one. And I will put all the playlists if you want to see over 200 ring reveals that I've done in the past. So thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.